you like what you're hearing, you'll be able to catch us at Stevenson County Fair on Wednesday night. We'll be playing in the entertainment tent from 7:30 to 9:30. And then in August, we'll be at Debate Square on August 10th, playing at 6:30. So I hope to see some familiar faces at that time. Okay, we're going to take it into a fun little song called Bubbly.
Just take your time.